because the time management is very. Yes, please start. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Nongmaithem Radhakishore. I'm a consultant in Grand Program LLP. We are the project implementing unit for this UNNATI scheme, that is Interrural Transformative Industrialization Scheme. It is a Government of India initiative promoted by DPIT, Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, under Ministry of Commerce and Industries. First of all, thank you for inviting me and giving this opportunity. I look mixed out. I'll be trying to brief, and there is concern for time also, so I'll be explaining the important of the Katanga what I have skipped out again. So it is a overview of this UNNATI scheme. UNNATI scheme was started last year, that is 9 March 2024. It is a scheme for industrial development of Northeast region. The Northeastern region is industrialization, economic growth, foster industrial development, like Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India initiative. Sida investment incentives and schemes there is capital investment incentive capital subvention manufacturing and services linked incentive see registration open to last year 9 March 2024 registration open to registration deadline 31 March 2026 next year. About the C register to UNNATI scheme benefits located here. See schemes 10 years 10 years from March 2024 to 2034 with addition of 8 years to meet the committed liabilities of the minor 8%. Maximum eligible benefit per unit what 250 CR details slides in the set of the incentive especially for the Northeastern region, because Northeastern state including scheme. Was why the sea especially for this Northeastern region scheme. These are some of the objectives of UNNATI scheme for promoting sustainable and environmentally friendly growth for new and expanding industries. Employment generate opportunity regional development developing an efficient institutional framework development of established and upcoming and potential industrial zones in the region, encouraging community participation. See later, UNNATI scheme timeline. I know scheme notifications 9 March 2024. See on, and it will remain in force up to 8 March 2034, and 8 more years for meeting committed liabilities. See later, silent features. Silent features UNNATI schemes first come, first serve basis application benefits. Total outlays financial outlays 10,000 CR ministry Manipur 335 CR. Financial outlay in a 335 CR. C is the point of Ougri total 10,000 CR is the point of the C is the point first come for some basis. Manipur is there 335 CR. C is a low Manipur beneficiaries low of the car, ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯄꯨꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠꯇꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯍꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯅꯤꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯄꯨꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯍꯣꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯥꯔꯒꯦꯗꯒꯤ 115% ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ no new registration will be allowed now. Aduga eligible unit must register on the PIB portal by 31st. Sida ina haisi kino apoi hi kino sa ba. Apoi hi UNNATI portals apoi everything apoi online portal through the name of the register ka pa. Sita ulo sa ba. Deadline 31st March 2026 si mokta. Aduga apoi commercial production ta udriba unit kumba level ba. Aduga musu adum eligible loy apply ta ulo kita mokta ba. अदुगा बाकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया से ये होता है हाइजर के पास एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया से सॉरी the number eligibility criteria के number आई slide number miss तो हो रहा है बाले
समरक ते यावी सा
मरक ते यावी ना तो आई वो हाइजर है सुमाइना eligibility criteria से पा कमांडर नहीं था कोई की सीगी benefit सीगी लोग इसे manufacturing and service sector सीगी अनिश बने रुका manufacturing की ओइला plant and machinery से ना at least 51 CR है मेरे पास ये होते 1 CR से minimum eligible investment amount निका अदो कोई micro sector की ओइला 50 lakhs का minimum करो से पा plant and machinery से invest होगी ना अदो manufacturing की अदुगो सर्विस सेक्टर की सर्विस सेक्टर की ना you know 50 lakhs of more मादिना civil construction plus durable physical assets अदुगो investment से at least 50 lakhs पे भी ना होगा अदुगो रेडी सी कोई units से eligible हो या नहीं उसमें कोई UNNATI scheme के register होगी अदुगी investment को लेगी अदुगी so देखा है ये अदुगा स्पाइना अदु लेगे अदुगा अकोई की जोन जगह जोन इन्वेस्टमेंट इंसेंटिव पी बचा जोन यूनिट क्या है अदु मणिपुर यूनिटी अकोई की नोज़े लेवल all the districts in Manipur falls under zone B that is industrially backward zone है तारे का कोई की और ना कोई 50% से स्पाइना कोई इंसेंटिव पी पेलोना लाने में सिनेरिस की अकोई for example कोई यूनिट हमारा manufacturing की the 1 CR मीन द लाने में सिनेरिस से इन्वेस्ट होना तो द इंसेंटिव कोई ना 50% 50 lakhs है तारे का ना मैं हो इंडिया ना रिवर्सल भी माइना दूँगा इसी बेनिफिट ये का अगर तो CI का है कि फाइनेंशियल आउटले कोई ये 10,000 CR है जिनको पार्ट A इंसेंटिव से ना इंसेंटिव ई का रेशियो 9,737 CR तो पार्ट B 300 CR जना कोई implementing agency है ये तो ये सुना वो इसकी चलाएगा सरकार का फंड्स अदू में आते हैं आई भाई जी लोग के स्कीम कंपनी का कोई इंसेंटिव से पा सी इधर ये लोग मतलब कुछ लोग पा तो वो सी की कोई स्कीम जो ना हार ले लेके बेनिफिट है अब हाँ उसी ना कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इंसेंटिव सीधा हाई सीधा सी दिस इज एलिजिबल फॉर बोथ न्यू एंड एक्सपांडिंग यूनिट्स सी न्यू एंड एक्सपांडिंग यूनिट्स आर लाइक इतना हाई जगह पे न्यू है यूनिट्स ना कोई सी कमाइना डिफाइन होता है न्यू यूनिट है कोई 9 मार्च अभी सी स्कीम लॉन्च तो होगा 9 मार्च 2024 है जब सी और आफ्टर तो भी डेट टू द की रजिस्टर तो भी यूनिट्स के जब तो न्यू यूनिट है ना कंसीडर तो होगा अगर तो एक्सपांडिंग यूनिट है ना अगर की मांग for 9 March 24 अदुगी ममांगदा लेगिबा already set up तौर register तौरगा लेगिबा unit cancel कोइना expanding existing unit अदुमाइना तौरगा consider तौरगा अदुगा कोई zone is भी consider तौरगा because we will be specially talking about in the context of Manipur only So all the, as I mentioned earlier, district it falls under Zone B. So there is 50% in capital assets with a ceiling of 7.5 CR for GST and non-GST GST applicable or the NCR maximum ceiling. Have the Sida Heiser suppose unit number
Please summarize in 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'm sorry because of the time.
Thank you. Otherwise, Heiser details. I finally you can Heiser details say phone number the radio share to the as finally CIA Hagama, the CIS Hagama, MSLI Hagama. CIA is was 50% see Hampopius minor can be about brief that. Otherwise, CI SI is the capital interest of this and have the upper suppose unit number 7 to the bank the loan to be able to rank. For example, bank 8.8% loan low rate to set up from one that. Adugi try to get a result video and this is the top. Adugi 8% low loan, adugi 5% of the security scheme, Jim Hada, covered over name for the period of maximum 7 years consecutive years. 5% of these in the period over name. So, you did not set up the Virga, Nina, the Masaki pocket period of this only 3%, remaining 3% to write the Virga. MSLI manufacturing service clean incentives in for a maximum period of 10 years from the date of commencement. See, net GST and the net equivalent amount net GST. Again, 100% members of the legacy. As in production link incentive negotiation. And the more you produce, the more you get this incentive. Have never seen the cards in the law. The Kitanese are explained over a time is you see registration processing has been seen documents mandatory documents quite detailed project report the land documents the appraisal report from bank loan able to review concern loan provider concern bank appraisal PV any finance net fee because bank appraisal especially for UNNATI the net fee is one of the the certificate C and provide the setting details of the owners, the copy of pen, the GST. GST is a must because everything under this scheme, all the claims should be made based on the GST invoices. I do not prove where the law. We invest on the map of GST invoice to the happening of the related law. That is a very must. The registration. See, registration process online online model the committees process application process application online model if it is okay director level forward director secretary level committee forward registration grant decision or registration eligible registration grant acknowledgement card number concern applicant so this I just like to share my number. My 8787 624 679. I have something I heard about 8787 624 679. I director of trade commercial industries something about any popular folder the office to lag to see details already heard this
Just one thing. First, on 5 topics, we started with Mr. Raz, and the topic was a startup company and experience of imphal archery house.